Hey guys, welcome back to Jolt the Volt. What I'm going to teach you today is how to install the new Hanley LED PhoenixNRG Streamliner. We are taking retrofits and the time it takes, and we're streamlining the process that it takes to install them, keeping your labor down and your cost nice and effective for your end users. So first of all, to get into it, let's talk about what you need and what you don't need. What you don't need anymore is the external power supply. You don't need the LED cable. You don't need brackets. You don't need screws. What you do need is your PhoenixNRG Streamliner and a pair of wire strippers. You may want to have a couple extra supplies with you, just in case your sockets are in disrepair and your cables are in disrepair. Okay. Now we're talking about high voltage here. So the first thing you've got to do when you're getting ready to do one of these Streamliner retrofits is you've got to cut your power to the sign. Okay? Dealing with high voltage, got to keep things safe. Once you've disconnected your power from the sign, you can now go in, remove your lamps from your sockets, pull these out, dispose of them safely and cleanly. Now every lamp lighted cabinet has a ballast inside it. That ballast, guess what? It's no longer needed. You don't need them to power your Streamliner. So you're going to take your wire strippers, cut out your primary power, and you're going to cut out all the wires that are going to your sockets. Now do me a favor, make sure you leave enough wire coming out from your socket so that you can use that to connect to your primary power. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and take out this 400-pound behemoth, get rid of it, because you don't need it anymore. At this point, now, again, double check and confirm your power is still disconnected to your sign. You're going to take your primary wires coming in, and you're going to connect your positive and negative. One side of your cabinet is going to be connected to the left side of your cabinet. The other side's going to be connected to the right. You may have noticed there in the video that we've got a surge protector, the Hanley LED surge protector in there. Is it required? No. Is it highly, highly recommended? Yes. That's because power spikes, environmental challenges that hit signs that will kill your LEDs, those are the types of things you want to protect against. So having a surge protector in there is actually going to help you achieve that 7-year product, 5-year labor warranty that you get with this. You're going to make sure that your primary connection is inside a junction box or inside a UL safe raceway. Once you've confirmed that and your power's still off, you're now going to take your Streamliner and connect it. Now, occasionally, what you'll end up having are sockets where the oval of the socket is oriented in the wrong direction. So when you go to install it, your LEDs are facing up and down instead of towards the face. So with the Streamliner, we've designed a removable cap. Look at that. How awesome is that? And all you have to do is remove the cap, reposition it. So now you're able to pop it directly into the socket and your LEDs are oriented in the right direction. So let's get after it. Streamliner, push it into the spring socket, pop it into the stationary socket, confirm all my power is clean, reconnect my power. They turn on just like that. Again, PhoenixNRG Streamliner from Hanley LED, powered by the socket. Get in, get out of your installs, and get it done. That's all you need.